Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for today's science lesson, I'm going to teach you Unit 7. The topic is density. For this topic, we are going to learn what are the objects that are float and sink. There are objects or materials around us that float on the surface of water and those that sink. What are the objects that float and what are the objects that sink? If you see the picture here, there is a boy, throwing a stone into the water. So what happened to the stone? Will it float or sink? Okay, the stone will sink. So how about this picture? This girl is throwing the branch into the water. The branch, as you see, floats. Okay, for this topic, the floating or sinking of an object is related to the density of the object against the density of water. Observe the situation below. Okay, this is the sponge. So the sponge has a lot of air space inside here. Can you see the air space here? Okay, how about the soap? The soap has no air space. Okay, this is the word density. D-E-N-S-I-T-Y. Please remember it. Okay, if you see the experiment here, the sponge, if you put into the water, the sponge will float and the soap will sink. Okay, so the density of objects is different from one to another. There are objects that are more dense than water and objects that are less dense than water. Okay, can you see the difference between these two objects here? One float and another one sink. Okay. In this slide, teacher attached here the worksheet for density. So there are 11 objects here. Okay, I want you to complete the worksheet here. You just pick whether it is sink or whether it is float based on the video that you will see after this. Okay, for the conclusion, we can say that objects that are less dense than water will float and objects that are more dense than water will sink. Okay, that's all for the lessons today. I hope all of you can understand. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for today's lesson, teacher want to teach you the Unit 7 density. Okay, the floating or sinking of object is related to the density of the object. Okay, teacher today want to do an experiment and want you people to observe whether the object that teacher put here is floating or sinking. Okay, we try the first one. This one is fine. Okay, you see whether it will float or sink. Okay, it will sink. And this one, the second one, ping pong ball. Okay, float. Marble, sink, soap. Okay, sink. Okay. Here, this is cork. These are corks. This cork have two types. like this one is made from wood and this coat made from rubber. Can you see? Okay, the one made from wood will float, and this one made from rubber sink. Okay, this one is the sponge. Okay, float. Paper clip. Okay, sink. Pencil. Okay, can you see the pencil? Okay, float. Okay, how about this one? The candle. Okay, float. This one, the key. Okay, see? The last one, the scissors. Okay, the scissors, see. So from here you can see some of the object float and some of the object sink. Okay, teacher hope all of you can do the worksheet attached. Okay, thank you. Next lesson for today.